Happy Vlogmas Day 13 and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. So I have been quite busy. I've done a lot of chores this morning and stuff that I've been putting off that I needed to do. So I did some follow-up calls. I handled my blog admin, and now I'm gonna head out. It is like 5 o'clock at night, but I'm going to head out. I need to go to the FedEx store, and I need to stop by the Beverly Connection to pick another order up. So yeah, I'm just gonna go out and pick some orders up, maybe go out and buy dinner to bring home. And yeah, that is what I want to do today. And yeah, sorry I didn't vlog this morning. It was pretty boring, or pretty much this afternoon is when I started working. But yeah, I thought I'd start the vlog now. My hair seems like it got shorter because I put my hair up so high today, and it's still curly from yesterday. So yeah, no makeup. I just put my hair in a high pony. I need to have a wash day with it this weekend, and that is currently what I'm up to. So let's head out. I found this cute little house on my way home. Look at how cute the decorations are. Cute. I'm back home now, so I'm going to cook dinner. That's why I'm in the kitchen. I'm not gonna actually cook with you. I'm just gonna show you what I end up making. So here's a random creation I made. It has rice, eggs, chicken, cheese, and it steamed up the camera. Rice, egg, chicken, cheese, corn, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this in a tortilla. I'm gonna make some kind of breakfast burrito out of this. So here is my dinner. I made some sort of breakfast burrito situation, topped it with ketchup, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have maybe 2 more of these. So yeah, that is my dinner for today. So I'm done with dinner and I'm back here in my room, and I thought I would share with you what I got today. The reason I went out is I needed something for another video that I'm doing, and then I needed another accessory for my outfit for tomorrow. So I went out to TJ Maxx to pick that up, and then I went all the way back to my home area around where I live to pick up a package that I got delivered to one of those FedEx centers. There's one really close by that I can walk to. So I had a nice walk home tonight, and then I picked up my package, and I thought I would share with you just an unboxing of what I got on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Yes, they've only come today. I bought them the first of the month because of the shipping and all that. This time of year is really crazy, so I have a bag full of that. So I thought I would do an unboxing since today is probably very short and very boring. First package is from Walmart. I got a few things, so I thought we could open this up together. Tape is all festive and cute. I love that, so I'm gonna slice it open. I don't really want to because it's so cute, but yeah, here we go. Okay, got it open, so here we go. All this fun stuff. So this is gonna be fun to recycle. First, we have my holiday sweater. Here is the holiday sweater that I get. Usually I go to H&M for my cute Christmas sweaters, but this year I went with Walmart because it was on sale. I might still get an H&M one to buy when they're like discounted, because I feel like it's tradition for me to get an H&M holiday sweater. So yeah, I got this one. So let's open it up. It has bells. So here is the sweater that I bought. It is so cute and so fuzzy. Oh, that is nice. This was originally $19.99 on the tag, but I got it on sale for like $9.99. So yay for that. And it has sequins and jingle bells. It's supposed to be like a Rudolph. I love this. I went with like a girly pink theme. Usually I stick with my red and golds for Christmas sweaters, or like do a white with red or something like that. And I went with pink this year, and this is super cute. I love it. I got an extra large, and it's pretty long, so that's nice. So yeah, I can't wait to wear it. I'm not gonna try this on. You'll see it in a video, of course you will. I will be shooting this pretty soon, So yay, I can't believe it's so nice. Really like it. So this is the Christmas sweater I'm going to be wearing this year. This is going to be a Christmas present, so I'm not going to really show it to you, so I'm just going to put it back in the box. Next package is from Target. I bought this on Cyber Monday. I got such a good deal with it, so I'm just going to open it up and show it to you. So here are my holiday shoes. So yes, I did buy a pink Christmas sweater, but I still wanted red heels. I actually don't have red heels, so I got these. They're super cute. They're a red suede, and I wanted a pop of color. I love wearing red, especially during Christmas time and a lot of holidays that have red colors in it. I'm such a big fan of dressing the color theme of the holiday. So I got me some red shoes finally. I love this style of shoe. It has a nice decent heel, so 2.5 inches. I am 5'9", so I am quite tall, so wearing short heels is good for me. I don't want to be like extra tall unless I need to be, but yeah, they're just some nice shoes. And these are the ones that came back in stock, so they went on sale for Cyber Monday and they came back in my size, and I'm like, yes, it's a sign I need them. Hopefully they come before the holidays, and they did. So I'm totally gonna style these for my blog. I can't wait. I love them. So yeah, I should show you both of them. Here they both are. And yeah, these are the shoes that I got at Target, and they're kind of like Target colors too. So yeah, this is the shoes that I got. I forgot to tell you the amazing price. So I got it, these were originally $24.99, and then they were on sale for $17.99, and then there was an additional coupon, so I got them for $15.99, and then I didn't have to pay any tax or anything. So the total came out, I didn't have to pay for shipping. I had to pay for tax. I get those confused. So I paid, I think, $16 for these shoes. Like $16.40 something was the total. So yay, I got a good deal on these shoes. So I can't wait to style these tomorrow. It's advent calendar time, so we're gonna do day 13. Oh, it's a cute bell. No, it's a trumpet. What does trumpets have to do with Christmas?
Oh, yeah, it is a trumpet.
What does...
They do. They play.
Okay. So, yay, chocolate.
Okay, good chocolate.
Day 13. It's not really an exciting vlog today. I just edited it now, and yeah, I didn't do much, but I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm hoping that tomorrow is going to be more exciting and that I can do something. I'm already planning it out. Hopefully it will go through. But yeah, you have to stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 14 tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 13. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.